Hey everybody, this is an Epson WF-3640 and I'm going to show you how to replace a power supply adapter on this printer. WF-3620 is exactly the same, it just doesn't have that extra tray number 2 on the bottom, and it's going to be pretty much the same process. WF-3540 series is going to be very similar as well. They have a different power supply, but the process is pretty much the same. So I've tried checking what was wrong with it. I tried different to make sure that the outlet is working fine. That's what you need to do first. Try plugging something into the wall outlet where the printer is connected to make sure that the wall outlet is working. And if it's not, and you've tried different things, and you still have an issue with the power on of the printer, then you'll need to get a different power supply. And to replace it is very simple. Just a few screws. The power supply is going to be located on the, if we're looking at the printer right now, facing us, it's going to be on the left side, on the ADF side of the printer, in the back of it. So we're going to turn the printer around to this side, and there's going to be a couple screws right here in the back that we need to get rid of. We need to unscrew. There's a Phillips screw right here and over here, and then we're just going to remove the screw, and this panel here, it just slides back and removes. Then we're going to find the cord that goes to the power supply. This is the power supply right here. The cord that goes to it is this gray one, it's a thicker one, wider than other ones, and we're just gently gonna pull it out of the supply, the formatter board or the logic board on this printer. So it is now disconnected, and we're gonna find another screw. It's located right here on the side of the power supply, behind the panel that we removed. I'm gonna unscrew it, remove the screw, and then the power supply just slides out. Very simple. So to put it back, to put in a different one, the one that you're replacing it with, just the reverse process. You put it back, make sure you connect it to the correct one. There's going to be that one right there, and then put the screw back in here, put the panel back, put the screws back on in the back of the printer, and you're all set. Hopefully it solves your printer's problem. Thank you for watching.